Imagine a world where your everyday routine not only enriches your life, but also transforms the lives of others. This is the power of volunteering. Today, we're exploring how you can seamlessly weave community service into the fabric of your daily life. Many of us face the same hurdles when it comes to volunteering: busy schedules, lack of opportunities, or simply not knowing where to start. But what if I told you that volunteering doesn't have to be a separate event? It can become a natural extension of your daily activities. Start small. Perhaps it's helping a neighbor with their groceries or volunteering at your local community center for just an hour a week. The key is to align your volunteering efforts with your passions and skills. Love to write? Offer your talents to a nonprofit in need of content creation. Enjoy gardening? Join a community garden project. By doing what you love, volunteering becomes less of a task and more of a joy. As you integrate these activities into your life, you'll notice a transformation, not just in the communities you serve, but in yourself. Volunteering fosters personal growth, enhances work-life balance, and cultivates a profound sense of fulfillment. So take that first step. Embrace the journey of incorporating volunteering into your daily life and experience the ripple effect of positive change. Together, we can build stronger communities and enrich our own lives in the process.